Hi everyone! Guess where we are? We are at Alton Towers this Feb half term. So we've decided to avail of their offer for this Pirate Takeover short break. This is the first time this year that they'll be open because it's basically winter, they're closed. So we're gonna try this experience. We're gonna try to see and show you what's open during this time. Then we're going to also let you know what's included in this Pirates Takeover package. And obviously we're traveling with our 6-year-old and our 3-year-old. So we're gonna share with you and show you what the experience may be like for them in this break. So join us in this trip.
Going in. Yay! One. Wow. Yeah, just thank you. Wow. Just look. Here, go.
Renzo, that's £1.
Oh, yeah, you add more, you add more.
So we're now here at the theme park in Alton Towers. This is where CBB's land will be. They opened part of the park. I don't think the full park is. Yeah, the full park isn't open, but because it's their half-term event, Pirate Takeover, they've opened part of it. So let's see what we'll find inside. The kids are excited.
Mommy, look! See, I told you it's a ride.
Yeah.
2, 1, Pirate win!
Whoa!
Look at that!
What was that? Oh, the cannon! Where did it go, Renzo?
There's a cannon.
What did they shoot?
Oh, CBB's land! Let's go to CBB's land. Yay! Over there!
So this is Alton Towers theme park. We are just going through the entrance. It was a long queue but quite efficient. You just needed to scan your ticket. The park itself is closed, but they opened part of it, which is CBB's land. We're going there. And also they have Pirate Takeover, that event dotted around this theme park. So let's have a look. Renzo's already there, excited to go in.
Let's go!
Come on!
Yay! Woo! It's that one.
See, Mommy, I told you it was this See the stuff people at the bus.
Yeah, and Captain Barnacles is in the front.
Right, Lily? I want to be the bus. Yeah.
Whoa! Oh, what do you think, Ayla? Was it cool?
Yeah.
What did you like about it?
Going up and down.
Very nice? Oh, good, good. How was it, Mom?
Ah, it was nice. It was a long, well, when we came a little bit early, so there wasn't that much of a queue yet. But now I can see it's a very long queue, so we did well with timing. Let's go on the next one.
Let's go on the next one, Renzo.
So we're here at Big Fun Showtime.
And we have
The Teletubbies on right now, but the kids
want to
want
see
to see other places. Maybe it's maybe if you have younger kids who are used to watching Teletubbies, that they might enjoy this.
Okay, let's go.
Where?
Oh, go Jetters.
Renzo, go Jetters. You want go Jetters?
Let's go there. Go.
There's Renzo.
We have a winner. He's over there.
Where?
Somewhere there.
Wow, look at this playground. Where do you wanna explore, Isla?
Where do you want to go?
Where's Renzo?
He's there. I can see his jacket.
Isla, Renzo is here. The clubhouse. So we found now we're at Hey Dougie area where there's this big playground. I think it's amazing. If you have kids who have lots of energy, this is a perfect place to be. I think what we'll do is we'll probably let them play here, explore a bit afterwards, and then I think we'd want to be at the entertainment, the Showtime Center for 12:30 to have lunch while we watch Hey Dougie maybe. No, not Hey Dougie. Bluey. Bluey is on at 12:30.
So we're having a look and going to Pirate's Takeover. See what is there. One of the rides outside unfortunately looks like it stopped. Most of CBB's land is open though, apart from Postman Pat, which is having technical issues. So we'll have a look at what's available in the Pirate Takeover. The ship's wheels hides a number. You ready? Ready? Can you do it? What do you think of the spinny ride?
Did you get dizzy?
No.
Is it alright? You like it? And then put it in the 3.
Let's do the 3. Go grab that for you then. That's the number.
Roll.
That one in
Dip
there.
Go on.
There we go. Oh, yay! What are we looking for? Letters? Letters.
Look.
Writing.
Tell them.
What does that letter say?
Oh.
Let's do this letter. Good job, guys. Let me write that down on you.
Where is it?
Anyone looking for numbers? Numbers?
Where's that fish?
You both together? Are you together? Do you want to pass me your maths then?
There you go. You found
Perfect,
it.
fantastic.
Okay, give Isla's map as well. How about this one? No, that's treasure. Can you turn this one? Is this it?
Yeah.
Oh, we found it. We found it. Go give it. Yeah.
Have a look at that letter now.
Oh, let's have a look. What is it? What is it?
Letter G.
Good. Oh, I think we know what that word is.
It goes down your maps here for you.
What you got?
I got a magic coin, 2 Haribos, and 1 chocolate.
That's very nice.
Just you and me, shouted Jack. Hello, sailing the water.
I've been the maddest pirate for a long time.
I've been the roughest, toughest pirate for a long time.
So, what is open on the Pirate Takeover event? In terms of Alton Towers, it's pretty much Mutiny Bay. We have that in the background, which is ships, and we have that one ship that can move back and forth, and Renzo and I rode this barrel that spins. So pretty much 3 major events, 3 major rides. There are a couple of smaller paid items as well as some small rides, but and apart from that, it is CBB's. mostly open. Still quite a lot to do for a day. Definitely enough, right?
Definitely.
So, we are now in the splash landing area. Unfortunately, you're not allowed to film here
During.
while the park is open for obvious reasons. Wanted to talk to you about a few things, which is the look at that. That's the Master Blaster. So
I see.
yeah, the Master Blaster is the that big slide over there. That's the Master Blaster. It's the biggest one.
Oh, the longest one.
Yeah, it goes all the way around. It even goes up.
Oh, it goes up.
Now, what's really interesting about the Master Blaster is you have blue rings, and you can have one person, a single, and a double. But you have a minimum height requirement,
Oh,
so
yeah.
it's up to 1.1. So Isla can't join, but Renzo was able to do it. So that's
Tell us how it was,
how
Renzo.
was it?
Fun! Look at the good all the way around.
Yeah.
Very
See,
dark.
that's part of it too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right.
That's
Part
it.
of it too.
It is. That's right.
No.
Yeah, it's a very long one. Does get dark in some spots.
Oh, really?
But for people with smaller kids, you can have the double ring. That's what we did.
How many minutes is it?
It's probably 5 minutes. It's probably the longest ride. It took us probably 30 minutes to queue on it.
30 minutes queue.
Yes.
Yeah, it was almost an hour to queue because
Yeah.
Daddy wasn't
Yeah.
Okay, the other one is the Rush and Rampage.
What's that?
So that's the yellow rings.
Oh,
Now,
yeah.
there's
That's
no,
what we wrote that one. The yellow ring,
There
right?
is no height requirements there. And Isla can join. Mommy and Isla went
How
there.
was it, Isla?
When did I go there?
You did.
Yes. So did
How
you like it?
How did it go, Isla? Did you like it?
Yeah, it went all around and really, really, and it even went up.
Oh, really? Yeah.
They standing me in the down at the same time because they said it's deep at the bottom.
Yeah, it's deep at the bottom. So you can have, if you have older kids, you can get 2 rings. There's only single rings for one person. You can go together because the bottom part is
yeah.
a bit deep.
I
If for smaller kids, you can go together in the 1 ring.
Yeah.
Right? And the last one is the flash floods. If you can look outside, it is outside.
Oh, out in
However-
the cold.
However, you can see there's steam going up because it's very warm. So if you're afraid it's cold, it's very warm. So
We didn't try that, Isla, because we were afraid it would have been very
but we
cold.
went out there and it was
So warm?
Yeah, so
And what's the
and mommy,
ride there?
the ride there is like at the top there's a slide going down. Then
Yeah.
there's another slide here, you go down. Then there's another slide, and then you end up in the very low bottom.
And that's where the hot one is. Hot
yeah, and there's
water
a duck. There's a duck there.
Huh? There's actually ducks.
There's a duck swimming.
Because it's a pond.
It's a pond. The
Okay.
duck likes the warm water then. So what's included in this Pirate Takeover package or short getaway? Well, you get free parking, of course. You also get free breakfast. And because you get one entrance ticket to the theme park and an entrance to the water park, we just opted to book an overnight stay so that we go early. On the first day, you get to access already either the water park or the theme park, and then sleep, and then the next day you get access to the other attraction. What is also included is the crazy golf. I think there's a crazy golf, but that one you don't have to book in advance, whereas the water park and the theme park is you need to book. So what are the tips that we have for you if you're thinking of visiting Alton Towers? Firstly, book early. I think that's kind of like the general tip anyway. Particularly for the water park because they have timed entries and they tend to be quite strict because the person in the reception was telling me earlier that there are like 700 people in and out throughout the day. So we suggest you book early, but also check the weather in advance. Because if you book the water park on a day which is rainy, then that's fine, because if the sunny day is the other day, then that's when you can do the outdoor activities because the water park is obviously indoors. Another tip to book early would be the restaurants because they get booked pretty quickly as well. So as soon as you book your tickets and you get the confirmation of your booking, you can actually already book a reservation for the restaurant that you like. You don't need to wait for the email asking you to book the restaurants. Just go ahead and go into the website. There are several restaurants, but particularly for this Feb half-term Pirate Takeover short break, the roller coaster restaurant, which is I think the most popular restaurant here because they serve food through a roller coaster. It goes to you through this roller coaster. But that's closed, unfortunately, during this time. But there are other restaurants available, so just check those out.
So that is it for our Alton Towers Pirate Takeover adventure. We hope that you like this video.
Yes, and leave us a comment if you've been here before. How was your experience? Maybe at a different time of the year. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time!
See you. Bye.
Bye.
How did you find it, Ayla?
I just saw it in the
Shop?
yeah. The
Did you like it?
Yeah, it's stamped.
Okay. Did you like your adventure today?
Yes, and I like why but on the stop it's squishy.
Okay.
How about the rides?
How about the ride? Which do you like the best?
My favorite one is the
Up the Knot roller coaster?
no, I mean the one that goes round and round.
Oh, the barrel.
Yeah, the power.
Pirate Takeover
Daddy got
barrels.
dizzy with that.
How about which ride did you like the best?